yourself, just sitting there on my chair.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are taking down Thanksgiving decoration, fall decoration, whatever you want to call it, and we are preparing the house for Christmas. I'm so excited. So a couple things have to happen before I take out all my stuff for Christmas, and that includes moving furniture around, you know, cleaning out the house, making sure everything is nice and clean so I have a clean canvas prior to starting my decoration, which I will be posting because I've already started. So I hope that you enjoy and get motivated to get something done in your home.
It comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you.
Okay, so I needed to clean the covers to my pillows because, you know, people eat me and dirties, and I'd be dirtying the covers and making a mess. So I needed to get some spots off. You'll see me in just a second clean the spots with Zote soap, and then I put them to wash, and then I go ahead and put them on back on the cushions, which is so helpful to be able to do this. That's why I like to have covers, and it also saves you money when you buy covers to your pillows versus buying new pillows. Sometimes you just have to buy the pillow because you find amazing ones, but for the most part, if I can, I will buy covers instead of the whole pillow so that I can clean it, and also it's less expensive. So that is what I'm doing here. Also, if you notice that little hose by my sink, guys, my roof, and I explain it again later because when I talk in the video, you can hear a loud noise. For the hurricane, we had a leak in our roof, so they were draining out I don't know what they were doing. They were doing something, and it was annoying, but thank God it was done, and it needed to be done. So we're still working on the roof, but for now, we're done with the loud noise. But anyways, let's go back to cleaning.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Okay, so don't mind the sound in the background because we have the roofing guys fixing our roof because the hurricane messed us up. Anyways, I normally put my tree over here, and then I'll put this couch like horizontal and then keep this one vertical, so it's kind of like an L. But I'm not sure if I want to do that this year. So, but I kind of do. The only reason I do is because I don't like this part of the couch blocking the tree, you know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move it because that's gonna bother me. So what I normally do is I'll move this all the way down and then put this here. I'll show you.
On the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzy heights, you make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. To the floor. Only when the dust settles you start to regret all the things that you've been fighting for. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden.